Hey guys, today I've got a Maytag Bravos HE washer and electric dryer matching set. It's in like new condition and I've got it all hooked up running a pretty good sized load, jeans, jackets, towels, that kind of thing. Got some shop towels in there. Essentially I call it medium to large load, but I've got it set to deep water wash, cool, heavy on the soil level. Extra rinse is turned off and fabric softener is also turned off. Tons of settings, tons of options on here for you to be able to get just about any type of laundry you want to do, from delicates all the way up to pretty heavy duty stuff. Right now it's sensing how heavy, how big this load is, and it's adding water. It's got this nice see-through glass top here. And so it's gonna go ahead and fill up, and it'll move out of sensing into the actual wash cycle once it's determined it's got enough water in there. And I'm gonna show you that, well, obviously you can see the water's piling in like it's supposed to. It's moving through the soap dispenser right there. So there's a little tray you pull out. You can add all your soap and fabric softener there, and bleach goes in this corner here. So right now it's running the water through the soap dispenser, and it'll go ahead and fill up all the way. We'll see it agitate, drain the water out. It'll fill back up again to rinse. And then we'll be on to the final spin cycle, which I'll show you. It's nice, fast, smooth, and sounds great. So we'll let it fill up with water and we'll come back. Okay, and it has stopped several times to add water. We're just about full submersion on the water. It might add a little bit more as it goes, but this is pretty much what your wash cycle is going to look like. You can see it's got some nice soapy action going on in there. And the agitation plate on the bottom vortexes the clothes in and around, kind of like a cyclone. So they'll get down, pressed against that plate, and come out on the sides. That's the cleaning method of this here. And that's on the wash portion. So I'll let it go ahead and move through essentially to the final spin cycle and show you how fast and smooth that is, because it's really fast. Does a great job extracting the water out of the clothes, makes them real light and dry pretty fast as well. So. All right, moving out of the wash cycle. It's got the drain running here. Just draining that water out nice and fast. From here, it's gonna spin that water out, fill back up with clean, fresh water and rinse. Then we'll be on to the final spin. Okay, now we're on to the final spin. You see it there on our LEDs. It's getting up to speed. It's got all the water drained out. Sounds great. And it is spinning those clothes super fast, which of course is why this lid lock is here. You can't open this. It's an excellent safety feature. All right, and it will actually go through this cycle 3 times to maximize getting the water out, and it will cycle the pump on and off as it does that as well. So I'll let this finish up. We'll move over to the dryer. All right, and I've got those clothes loaded into the dryer. I've got it set on time dry with high heat. You've got high heat right here. Tons of options on here, as you can see. You've got all the way down to air fluff for your delicates. You can choose your heat. There's even one for sanitize. I'm not exactly sure what that one's for, but I'm assuming it would be a higher heat setting than that one. Signal, this is great if you have kids. I always turn those off because if you get kids sleeping or something, that's an awesome one to have. Tons of options and cycle settings here, wrinkle control, and you push this to start. I've got it running. I've had it running for a couple minutes, and I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So I've got a surface temperature gun. Right in between those 2 red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 70 degrees Fahrenheit on the top of this dryer here. If I go down and shine it on the floor, you can see it's about 64 degrees. So we'll go ahead and open this up. You see the clothes are tumbling. Plenty of heat coming out of that heating element tube right there. And that'll in turn heat the inside of your dryer anywhere from about 95 all the way up to 195. Just depends on what you have your heat setting at, and how long it's been running. So pop this stuff back in there. Nice bright light. You can see everything's clean. Like I said, these both are in like new condition. We'll hit go, and I will let that finish up. The description will have tons of details on these, a little bit more, break it down for you. If you have questions beyond that, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.